7. Stakeholder management and collaboration. Effective stakeholder management and collaboration are essential components of successful project execution. Stakeholders refer to individuals or groups who have a vested interest in the project or can influence its outcome. These stakeholders may include project sponsors, clients, team members, end users, regulators, and other relevant parties. In summary, stakeholder management and collaboration are vital for project success. By understanding and engaging stakeholders, fostering collaboration, and actively involving them in decision-making, project managers can enhance project outcomes, minimize risks, and cultivate a positive project environment. Effective stakeholder management is an ongoing process that requires continuous effort and adaptability to ensure the project's alignment with stakeholder needs and expectations. Working with various stakeholders within customer organizations. When working with various stakeholders within customer organizations, effective communication and collaboration are essential. It is important to understand that different stakeholders have different roles, perspectives, and priorities. By actively engaging with each stakeholder group, businesses can build strong relationships and ensure their needs are met. First and foremost, it is crucial to identify the key stakeholders within the customer organization. These stakeholders can include decision makers, department heads, end users, and technical experts. Each group may have distinct objectives and concerns, so it is essential to tailor the communication approach accordingly. Building trust and maintaining a positive relationship with stakeholders is key. This involves delivering on promises, being transparent in communication, and promptly addressing any issues or concerns that may arise. Regularly seeking feedback and conducting satisfaction surveys can help identify areas for improvement and demonstrate a commitment to continuous enhancement. In summary, working with various stakeholders within customer organizations requires effective communication, collaboration, and understanding. By actively engaging with stakeholders, tailoring communication approaches, involving them in decision-making processes, and building trust, businesses can establish strong relationships and ensure the successful implementation of products or services within the customer organization. Build relationships. Building relationships is a fundamental aspect of human interaction that plays a crucial role in our personal and professional lives. Relationships are nurtured through a combination of trust, communication, and mutual understanding. Trust forms the foundation of any relationship, as it fosters a sense of security and reliability. Open and honest communication is vital for building and maintaining strong relationships, as it allows individuals to express their thoughts, feelings, and needs, while also actively listening to others. Moreover, empathy and understanding are key elements in building meaningful connections, as they enable us to see things from another person's perspective and develop deeper bonds. Investing time and effort into building relationships not only brings joy and fulfillment but also opens doors to new opportunities, collaboration, and support networks. Whether it is with family, friends, colleagues, or romantic partners, cultivating strong relationships enriches our lives and contributes to our overall well-being. 8. Continuous improvement and knowledge sharing. Continuous improvement and knowledge sharing are crucial aspects of any successful organization. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, companies must constantly strive to enhance their processes, products, and services to remain competitive. Continuous improvement involves identifying areas for growth, implementing changes, and evaluating their impact to drive ongoing enhancements. To foster continuous improvement, organizations often establish structured frameworks such as Lean Six Sigma or Agile methodologies. These frameworks provide a systematic approach to problem solving, encouraging teams to analyze processes, eliminate waste, and streamline operations. By empowering employees at all levels to contribute to improvement initiatives, organizations can tap into their collective knowledge and experience, driving innovation and efficiency. In conclusion, continuous improvement and knowledge sharing are vital for organizations aiming to thrive in today's dynamic business environment. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement and implementing effective knowledge-sharing practices, organizations can drive innovation, enhance productivity, and maintain a competitive edge. Sharing best practices and lessons learned with the team. Actively contribute to team meetings, discussions, or knowledge-sharing platforms to exchange ideas and experiences. Document and share successful practices, strategies, and lessons learned from your own work or projects. Encourage colleagues to share their insights and experiences, fostering a culture of continuous learning. Recognize and appreciate individuals who contribute valuable knowledge and insights to the team. Participating in training and professional development opportunities. Take advantage of training programs and courses offered by your organization or external providers to enhance your skills and knowledge. Seek opportunities to attend workshops or seminars related to your field or areas of interest. Set aside time for self-directed learning, exploring online resources, tutorials, or webinars that align with your professional goals. Share your learnings with colleagues, either through presentations, workshops, or informal discussions.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.